Alright guys, thanks for checking out Amazon Loves Me. What we're looking at right here is a Bwine F7 GPS drone with camera. This is a 4K night vision drone. Alright, it's got a 3-axis gimbal, 2-mile long range. I mean, this thing has everything. A beginner mode for kids, return to me, fly to me, all kinds of stuff. It comes with a carry case, looks like 3 batteries, a joystick, and a way to attach your cell phone to it, so you can, I guess, view out of the drone. So it's an all-encompassed drone. Right now it's on sale for $399.99. It's 37% off, normally $629.99. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for anybody looking to get into a drone and maybe take some awesome video or pictures. This might be the deal you're looking for. Thanks for checking out Amazon Loves Me.